Hello, hi, and welcome back everybody to another episode of Winning Lifestyles. Today's episode for our Fidelity series, we're going to be talking to you about how to set up automatic investments for mutual and index funds. That's right, we're showing you how to get one step closer to being completely passive as you start your investing journey. So as we go through here, what I want to say is that if you've been really liking our Fidelity series videos, please do us a huge favor, smash the like button, hit subscribe, and ring that notification bell. It really helps us get the word out there and, help others realize that getting invested and helping you learn how to manage your money isn't that hard. And with that being said, we also want to say if you're looking for a feature or can't find something, feel free to comment down below. We're going to try and find ways to figure it out ourselves. If not, reach out to Fidelity. And we are not sponsored by Fidelity, by the way, but we'd like to be. But anyways, let's go ahead and dive into today's video. So once you've logged into Fidelity, basically what you want to do is you want to go into your account features. Now, it's going to be one of these tabs. I don't know why I have so many tabs, but now I have to click more and then click on account features to find it. But anyways, go ahead and click on that. And then go down here to payments and transfers and click on that. And then what you're going to see is there's something that says automatic transfers and investments. That's where we want to go to figure out which funds we have and where to automatically invest our money. So once you click there, you're going to be taken to another page and it's going to talk to you and show you essentially all of your accounts, whether it's your IRA accounts or your investment accounts, your traditional non-tax advantaged brokerages. This is where you can find that information here and you can choose which one you want to set up automatic investments for. So I'm going to go ahead and do that for my Roth right now. And then it asks, what do you want to set up? And I'm going to go ahead and click on invest funds from my core position. So that takes me to this old school page, kind of like the full trade ticket. And then it tells you, so where do you want to transfer money from? That's automatic. It's always going to be your core account. Just as a quick reminder, your core account is essentially that wallet that you put all your cash in, and you could have chose it as SPACs or an FDIC fund initially, and then you use that money to go ahead and buy stocks. But yeah, I already have 2 mutual funds that I buy, or technically they're index funds that I buy. I only own the S&P 500 and FZ Rocks, which is the free 0% expense ratio total market index. So it looks like there isn't a way to set it up to buy a brand new fund if your money comes in. But that's okay. That just means you probably just have to go ahead and buy the fund outside first, and then in the future it should show up again. And then you can set it up to automatically invest in that one too. Make sure you do your own due diligence. There are tons and tons and tons of great Fidelity funds out there that I've been seeing have been popping, making huge gains despite their incredibly high expense ratios. So it's all about doing your due diligence, doing the research, and seeing what they're investing in. But anyways, once you figure out the fund that you want to invest automatically into, you can note the amount, and it looks like you can do this for multiple different funds and multiple different amounts. Now, unfortunately, it doesn't seem like Fidelity is really sophisticated where it will say, if you deposit $100 in, automatically send 20% to your S&P 500 and 80% to your total market. It seems like you can only set specific dollar amounts, which, is kind of disappointing, but maybe they're going to roll that out soon. I know other brokerages already have that set up, or if you have your 401k, that's essentially what it does. It just automatically splits everything up and allocates it. But whatever, this works for us. At least we have a feature available, right? But then when we go down here for our investment schedule, this essentially tells you, what day of the week do you want to start invest or do that automatic buy of that particular fund? And you can choose to do it quarterly. It tells you how it's offset. You can have it do it monthly. You can create a custom schedule and show I only want to do these months. For example, if December and November, you want to scale back a bit and not automatically invest because you need to save that money for Christmas presents, Turkey Day. Maybe you're getting ready to pay taxes at the end of the year for your house or whatever. But yeah, you can at least have some sort of flexibility and customizability, and you can also set it up to pick the day of the month that you want to invest it and automatically buy those funds too. But after that, they also tell you you can set up a stop date. So let's say you want this to go on forever, just click on no stop date. But if you wanted to say, I only want to do this for this year for some reason, and then you're going to go in and track it again, then you can just choose the date that you want all these automatic investments to stop. Now remember, this is all based on the amount of money you have in your core account. And if you don't have enough money in your core account, what it says is that essentially your first time it's just going to be skipped. But the second time this happens, they're saying that if you have not enough cash, then the plan is just going to be canceled altogether, which means that you just got to come in, take a look in, and check it out, see if things are still going as smoothly or if you need to switch it up, which is something that you should be doing anyways, just because you want to make sure that you're reallocating your account to match your investment strategy at least once, maybe twice, maybe 4 times a year. It's up to you how often you want to check it out, but yeah, there you have it. So we just want to say here at Winning Lifestyles, thank you so much again for checking us out. Please remember, we are not financial service advisors. We're only here to do this for funsies and educational purposes. And we can't say enough, please, please, please do your own due diligence when picking your funds and figuring out what investment style, strategy, and types you want to go for you. Okay, and if you have any questions whatsoever, please remember that Fidelity's chat line is open for you, and also they have great customer service through their phone numbers as well. But thanks again for checking us out here at Winning Lifestyles. We really appreciate you spending the time with us here and trying to help everybody see that we can all build wealth together. Until the next one,